But denied by Stevens! It's smashed back into the back of the net by Saleh. Paris pull one back before half time. Now he's been involved in everything positive about Orlando Pirates here in this first half, Saleh. They felt their moment was coming as they were willing this Pirates side forward. 12 men certainly playing the sport. And there's still a lot of football to be played in this final. Fireworks at the Moses Mapida Stadium. Hutto keeps it on target, too hard to hold on to. Saleh smashes it home. Did well in following up with the strike to Saleh. And in the end, they were in all sorts of trouble. Stellenbosch, once that save was made and it fell for Saleh.